Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by gathering rails, powered rails, redstone, and a minecart. This is non-negotiable. First, craft standard rails and a few powered rails. Powered rails accelerate, so make one for every 8-10 blocks on flat runs. Next, clear a straight 1-block-wide path and place standard rails to form your spine. Once done, switch to powered rails where needed and do not forget to keep a redstone torch or repeater handy. This powers your rails and prevents stalling. Now you shape the middle section. Manage slopes, corners, and power. You must build slopes with a consistent rise. Rails ascend 1 block per 1 rise, so use stairs or slabs to keep smooth motion. Place powered rails on uphill segments more frequently. On long, flat runs, space them about 8-10 blocks apart. Once done, wire redstone repeaters or torches to maintain signal strength. Also, add detector or activator rails at stations to trigger doors or dispensers. This lets you automate loading and unloading. Finish by testing and refining. Run a minecart from end to end and watch for slow spots. If the cart stalls, add or move powered rails nearer or replace a standard rail with a powered one. Make sure every powered rail is actually powered. For long distances, use repeaters to extend redstone power beyond 15 blocks. If you run into issues, check for gaps, rails placed on wrong block shapes, or an upside-down rail. Those are common causes of failure, and fixing them restores smooth travel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.